Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Retinitis pigmentosa rises from 1 in 4,000 worldwide to 1 in 58 on these islands. So watch this quick genetics clue and lock it. The key idea is population genetics, not eye biology, because the question asks why a rare inherited disorder became much more common in a small island population. A small founding group can carry unusual allele frequencies, and if several colonists already had the disorder or its allele, isolation with little immigration keeps that frequency unusually high. That matches founder effect and limited gene flow, while the other choices add unsupported claims about adaptation, extra diversity, or higher mutation rates. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Avoid rushing past clues. Trust the given facts and check each step before picking the population genetics explanation.